Subscribe and press bell icon to get latest updates.
Hello YouTubers, welcome to my YouTube channel Made in Pune. This is Ganesh Palkar and right now I am in Pune, and today's plan is to explore Lonavla. Actually for a very long time I haven't been traveling, so I thought today is Sunday and it's a good time to have a small ride. This is my new setup with the new helmet. So I have purchased a new LS2 helmet. Because of this anti-fog glass, this helmet is having anti-fog. Just enjoying this rain. What a rain. It's very heavy rain. Very interesting and very hand gloves. And this is how we have reached NH4 or NH47, something is it? I'm not really sure about that. But this is NH4, NH47. This is always a confusion for me. But this is amazing, man. Just amazing. So we have just crossed Kamshet and we are on the way to Lonavla, and look at this view, it's just amazing. The small waterfalls are going over in this mountain. You can see the small waterfall is over here as well. So this is amazing actually. You can see right now I have reached Lonavla, and it's heavy traffic in Lonavla city. So the initial plan is to go to Bushi Dam, which is in Lonavla. So for Bushi Dam we have to take a left from second signal if we are coming from Pune, and if you are coming from Mumbai you have to take a first left or the left from the first signal which you get in Lonavla. So hello YouTubers, this is Ganesh Palkar, And right now we have reached Lonavla and having coffee in McD. Though it was awesome ride while riding from Pune to Lonavla. The rain was very heavy and it haven't stopped for a single second throughout the route. But in Lonavla the climate is pleasant. It is not that much chilled, but it is pleasant. And I'll show you a little bit what the climate is outside. It's totally cloudy and it is raining heavily. There is heavy traffic on the road. When you enter Lonavla city, there is a very heavy traffic, and I guess it will last throughout the road till the Bushi Dam. So let's enjoy the best, and enjoy the ride, enjoy the route. See you on the road. So we had a breakfast over this McD over here, and now we are leaving for Bushi Dam. The climate is good and I am enjoying it actually. And you can see the traffic behind me, which is going to Bushi Dam. You can see traffic. So we have left from McDonald's and going towards Bushi Dam right now. You can see the traffic on the road is very heavy. Let's see how it goes.